So in this video, I'm going to show how a user would do a system restore. They can do it themselves, and we would do this in case they call up and they have a virus or something's not working right. This won't delete any of their data. It'll just restore their settings. So if they got a virus, it should theoretically uninstall the virus. Or if something's weird with their computer on there, this will restore the settings on there. So in Windows 10, you're going to click on this search box. They're going to start typing system restore, and even though it says create a restore point, go into here, and then they're going to click on, let me just enlarge this, they're going to click on this system restore. Hopefully it's turned on. They would just hit next to this. If you want, you could do show more restore points if they need to go back further. So they should go back before the event started happening. They're going to pick a date on there, hit next, and pretty much that's it. I'm not going to do it, but they would hit finish here. Sometimes it takes about 15 minutes. Their computer's going to restart on there, and then follow up with them afterwards. Thanks.